Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. I am on day 15 of the carnivore diet. So I'm gonna do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan, and I'm gonna track my progress. Today's day 15 and Jonathan is unhappy about something. It's okay. I'm still constipated. So that's not cool. I did a little bit of looking about why I would be constipated all this time. So a couple of things came up, and it's because of, maybe it's because of low bile production. My liver isn't making enough enzymes to break everything down. And that makes sense because I don't have a gallbladder. And also might be the dairy. And I kind of knew that intuitively. So no more dairy for me, unfortunately. That's okay. I'd rather give up dairy than to be stopped up. So from this point on, no more dairy. And other than that, I'm still full of body pain. I think once my system starts moving though, it'll release and I won't have the body pain anymore. Maybe. I weighed myself and I'm 170. Now I'm wondering if I had a bowel movement, I wonder how much I would weigh, right? Because I really feel stopped up. So I don't know how to fix the low bile production. I think from what I've heard and read that your body does adjust to that. So I'm really hoping that my body does adjust. But yeah, for sure, something in my control, no dairy, and maybe more fat. I think I need more fat, but not dairy fat, more other kinds of fat, like animal fat, right? So what I had to eat today was just a couple of bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, just 2 of those. And the rest of the carnivore flatbread that I made like a couple days ago. Finished that up, just fried it in butter. And then I had a couple of slices of ham. And that's it. I'm not hungry. I'm gonna stop eating for the rest of the day. Try to give my system a break. I hope that things start moving. I have been having cream in my coffee, but I'm gonna stop doing that and just have black coffee. Or maybe with butter. I've heard of people, carnivores putting butter in their coffee, so I'll try that instead, even though that might technically be dairy. Maybe I'll just have black coffee. Black coffee is supposed to help constipation as well, so I'll just have black coffee. Or maybe no coffee and just water. I don't know. I'm still researching this. I'm still trying to figure everything out. Like yesterday, I was thinking maybe this isn't for me if it's just gonna keep going like this. But again, I'll finish out the 90 days. But so far, I don't know. It's not really, I'm not feeling better. I'm not losing weight. But again, I'll have to just adjust what I'm doing. So we'll just take it day by day. I did exercise today. My son and I went to the gym and we did resistance training. It was nice to have a buddy. And he's a little athlete, so he's kind of training me how to lift weights and stuff. It was pretty cool. And that's all that I did today. So I'm just going to take it easy and continue hoping that I have a bowel movement. Okay, this is day 15. Over and out.